Hello students, very happy and prosperous new year to all of you. I hope you have enjoyed this winter vacation, Christmas Day and New Year celebrations you have done at your home. Now we are in a position to start our syllabus. Okay. So in the next coming examination, you will be having test on chapter water. No, I think you have test on chapter atmosphere. So air and atmosphere, and the last video classes we have completed up to that nitrogen fixation. In today's class, we will discuss about air pollution. So as you know, nowadays this is a very big problem for us, that is a pollution, air pollution. What do you mean by pollutions? Pollution means contamination of unwanted things in air, water or soil is called pollution. So in this chapter we will discuss about the air pollution, means the release of undesirable and harmful substances into the air is called air pollutions. So there are so many undesirable and harmful substances are present in air which are called air pollutants. They are like hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, then carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide in excess, then methane and ammonia are common gaseous air pollutants. Okay. Dust, smoke and soot are also some common solid air pollutants, right? Now, what are the sources of air pollution? How these air pollutants comes to air? Okay. So there are so many air sources of air pollution, due to which air is getting day by day more polluted, and we will also see the harmful effects of air pollution. So our today's topic is air pollution. Air pollution. So first is the sources. What are the sources of air pollution? First source is the combustion of fuels. Number one is the combustion of fuels. Okay. Combustion of fuels means mainly the coal, combustion of coal, petroleum products like kerosene, diesel, petrol, etc. When these things burns, this coals, petroleum and other some woods also are the combustion of wood. Wood is another, because in most of the villages still now the people are cooking their food in chulhas or with the help of some coal and wood. They are the main causes of, one of the main causes of air pollution. And petroleum products we generally use in the case of transportation purposes. So they are also the cause of air pollutions. Okay. So the when these petrol products, coal and wood burns, they give out lot of smoke. That lot of smoke contains harmful gases like nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide, like nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Okay, nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide are emitted from the burning of coal, petrol and woods. Okay. Next point of air pollution pollutant is gaseous emissions from factories. Gaseous emissions from factories. Somehow these are also responsible for gaseous emission in the factories, because in factories generally we are using coal. In thermal power stations we are using coal. We are using petroleum, petrols also, diesel in the factories, in the furnaces. So large number of industries are constantly releasing lots of amounts, mainly the carbon dioxide. The gases are carbon dioxide, that is CO2, is constantly releasing, and with this some harmful poisonous gases, that is carbon monoxide, CO, and some hydrocarbon chemical burning of hydrocarbons that gives us toxic gases comes out from the factories. They are the main causes of air pollution. After that, agricultural activities. Agricultural activities. So agricultural activities means in farmers also responsible for air pollutions, because what they do, the large number of chemicals, such as they are using pesticides, then insecticides are all there. Insecticides they are using. They are also using some harmful fertilizers also. Fertilizers, suppose pesticides, insecticides, fertilizer also containing some chemicals in them, which are also the causes of air pollution. But how these are causes of air pollution? Pesticide, insecticide, because they are using these chemicals to protect their crop, like from pests and some insects and weeds. Weedicides are also there. And fertilizer are used by farmers to increase the fertility of the soil, which will yield the increase of their crops. But how they are the causes of? As we know that the crops that we are getting, when they burn, the residues of the crops, they contain some pesticides in them. With burning of those agricultural wastes, they produce harmful gases. Which are also the responsible of air pollution. Okay. Next is decaying of organic waste. Fourth point is decaying of organic wastes. Decaying of organic waste means like methane. Harmful organic waste is one of the gases, methane. That is chemical formula is CH4. That is one of the it is also one of hydrocarbon. So when this decay and death of animals, plants, and they remain some used to fill the landfills, they also gives out some harmful gases, which are the causes of air pollution. Next is a natural phenomenon. Natural phenomenon. So natural phenomenon means volcanic eruptions. Main cause is volcanic eruptions. volcanic eruption, there is a volcanic eruptions, they gives out lots of smoke comes out with the molten rocks, that is lava comes out, magmas comes out. With them lots of harmful gases also released during the volcanic eruptions. They are also causes of air pollution. Next is atomic and nuclear emissions, and last point is atomic and nuclear emissions. Atomic and nuclear. So we are nowadays in modern science, we have developed so many ways of using nuclear radioactive elements to generate electricity. We are making some atomic bombs also. That first it was dropped in Nagasaki, Hiroshima. Still there is a effects of pollution is they can feel there. So by emissions of gases that comes out from nuclear emissions are also the main causes of air pollutions. Okay, that extremely harmful and for air. Okay, so these are the main causes of air pollution in nature. Okay. So the next point is the effect of air pollution. What are the main effects of air pollution? Now we have discussed about the sources of air pollution. Now I will discuss some points of harmful effects of air pollution. Now topic is harmful effects of air pollution. Okay. What are the harmful effects of air pollution? There are lots of harmful effects of air pollution because air pollution became nowadays serious global issue in the present time. It causes a lot of damaging effects on us. Some of the mentioned here. What are the points of? First of the health hazard. Health hazard means breathing pollution, breathing problem is may cause respiratory disorders like asthma and allergies. In severe cases, it can also damage our lungs and may cause cancer, lungs cancer. It can also cause various skin and eye and heart diseases. So health hazards are mainly respiratory disorders such as asthma, allergies are there. Lungs cancer, the next stage of respiratory disorder. After that, we have some problem in our skin, in our eyes, and some heart's problem may also arise. Next is environmental hazardous air pollution affect the rate of photosynthesis. Pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide in the rainwater may cause acid rain also. Acid rain may damage even and kill animals, plants, and it also makes the soil acidic in nature. Then crops will also not grow properly. Next is the global warming. Global warming, as you know, nowadays is a very important topic of air pollution. Global warming. The global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the increase in the normal temperature of the earth. It's called global warming, and this global warming, the main cause of global warming is the greenhouse effect. Main cause is greenhouse effects. So what are greenhouse effects? So the surface of the earth become hot due to the sun's in the daytime. During the night it cools down, as you know. Air pollutants such as carbon dioxide have ability to trap the heat going on the earth and make the atmosphere warm, and this is called greenhouse gases, and this phenomenon is called greenhouse effect. So if the percentage of carbon dioxide will increase in the atmosphere, then carbon dioxide will absorb more, will trap more sunlight, and suddenly that slowly and slowly the temperature of the atmosphere will increase, and it is increasing. Okay, so the increase in the temperature of earth atmosphere due to the increase in the concentration of greenhouse gases is called global warming. Why it is called global warming? It is the effect of entire world, entire earth. It is not a case of some particular places. So since it is a case of our earth, whole earth, so it is a global warming. So due to global warming, the polar ice are melting, due to which the level of seawater is increasing day by day. And if the level of seawater will increase, what will happen? The coastal areas will be get flooded, and if the coastal areas get flooded, then lots of people and animals and crops will destroyed. Okay, so global warming is a new global threat indeed to our mankind. So we have to control air pollution, otherwise due to global warming our total whole earth will destroy. There will be no life on the earth. Okay, so what should we do to control air pollution? So controlling of air pollution, to control air pollution we should grow more and more trees, means we should promote afforestation and reduce deforestation. Setting up of factories in non-residential areas. Factories should be established in the countryside or away from the residential areas. Using eco-friendly and non-polluting products we should use. Saying no to defecations. Open defecation is not be preferred. Minimizing the waste, we should not generate lots of waste. Controlling deforestation, just I told you. And we should use some special type of instrument inside the chimneys of the factory which will filter the smoke that comes out. That will also control the air pollution. And the guidelines of, we should follow the central guideline, Central Pollution Control Board, CPCB, and the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatic Changes, MOEFCC. So strictly we should follow these guidelines, and by installing the incinerators we can burn the garbages and waste. That will produce less smoke, which also will be helps to reduce the air pollution. So these are the things that are of regarding the air pollution. So I think you have understood nicely. So we should we all have to do all these measures. Otherwise, if you think that that person is not doing that, why should I do? No, it is the responsibility of every person or mankind of the earth to follow these guidelines. That will help to minimize the air pollution, and if air pollution can be controlled, then our earth will be saved. Our earth will be have the proper greenery, and we will be able to live on this earth peacefully, and healthy environment we will get to survive. Okay students, hope you all have understood the air pollution, about air pollutions, the main causes of air pollutions, effects of air pollutions, and controlling of air pollution. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this video class. Again, in the next video class, we will do some questions from the exercise. We will discuss, and if you get any doubts while watching or reading this chapter, you may ask me in your video classes, and you also text me in my personal WhatsApp, or you can call me between 9 to 10 p.m. in any day. I will definitely try to help you to make you understand. Okay, students, thank you very much. Goodbye.